Hi everyone, I'm here to talk about Parkinson's disease today because this month is being observed as World's Parkinson's Month and April 11th is celebrated as a World Parkinson's Day. Parkinson's disease is a degenerative disease where the disease is going to progress irrespective of the medications, unlike many other diseases where medications will halt. A lot of people are aware of this Parkinson's disease. They say anybody who is having tremors, they come to us saying or asking us to evaluate for Parkinson's disease. One thing we have to understand is not all tremors are Parkinson's disease. Most of the people who have tremors while resting, they have to reach us because the resting tremors are characteristic of Parkinson's disease. Whereas if somebody is trembling while writing, while doing some action or posture, it is unlikely to be Parkinson's disease. Many of us know it is tremors. The second and the third are more important than tremors according to me. That is slowness in activity. We call it as bradykinesia. The third one is stiffness or rigidity. These are the three cardinal symptoms as described by James Parkinson's. There is no age criteria for Parkinson's disease. We have a lot of people who are younger generation who have this Parkinson's disease, but most likely it is seen in elderly population. Whenever a patient approaches us for Parkinson's disease or when we diagnose them as Parkinson's disease, the first and the foremost thing is the medications. First is that we decide what is the kind of Parkinson's disease and then the medications are decided accordingly. Apart from the medications, it is very important to undergo a good physiotherapy and regular physical exercises, because it is proven with lot of papers and scientific research that exercises do prolong the deterioration of Parkinson's disease. So physical exercises and physiotherapy is very important, or rather equally important as medications. There are no major side effects for these medications, as people will think whether it is going to affect their kidney or liver. But there will be minor issues the patients can face when they start medications, because we are supplementing dopamine from outside. They can have nausea, vomiting and discomfort. Some people also feel sleepy, but these effects are all short lasting, only for a couple of days, and once the body gets used to, these effects usually go away. So if you have any of these symptoms as I described now, please reach us at Aster CMI for a Parkinson's clinic on April 17th between 9 to 2 o'clock. If you cannot reach us because of COVID being increasing, and if the elderly people are not able to reach us or they don't want to come to the hospital, please consult us through video consultation. We would like to see you in person with the Parkinson's, but it is okay with the kind of situation. At least reach us on video consultation. It is just a phone call away.